Hello and welcome to Heaven's Mopars. That tool that you just saw was a hole punch, and it creates all these little holes everywhere around the edges to do plug welds, to weld one panel to the other panel. And here I am working at warp speed like a madman, trying to get things done for the no-name nationals. I'm putting them around the arches of the wheel well, around the back of the quarter panel, along the edges of the trunk dropouts underneath, just everywhere they're needed. I'm getting that much closer to having my 70 Challenger finished so that I can get it out of my garage so that I can work on my 70 Duster for the race. Here we are, about to put in the trunk dropouts, or trunk extensions. Got a little gap right there, but I can squeeze that up once I free up some other clamps. Yeah, this piece here goes in the corner, back here. I had to beat on that quite a bit to make it fit, but all the corners and edges and everything looks really good. So yeah, I'm really proud of myself for doing this corner over here. All my holes line up real nice and it's almost flawless. And then I got clamps everywhere, filling in the gaps and whatever, so it's getting there. Clamps down here, clamps up there. I need some here and there, but so anyway. And then this out here, when I ground it down, or I took the hammer and dolly and took out that big gap, and now it's more rounded. So I'm much more pleased with that, because I was starting to doubt my abilities. Even though I think I'm doing pretty good for not knowing what I'm doing. Never done this before.